Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about statements, different type of statement, that is simple and compound statement, what are the different logical connectives to connect the compound statement, and what are their truth tables. Welcome back friends. Let us start with the new topic, logic, a very important topic yet a very simple topic, because most of the topic you have already learned in your previous academic. It is just an extension of that topics, but don't worry if you haven't learned this topic. Don't worry, we're going to start it from the scratch, from the beginning. So let us start with the first concept, and that is called your statement or proposition. So what do you mean by statement or proposition? A sentence which is either true or false is called statement or proposition. Are you clear with the definition? A sentence which is either true or false is called proposition or a statement. Now let me give you few sentences and you tell me whether it is a statement or not. My name is Farhan. What is the answer? You ask yourself what should be the answer. My name is Farhan. Either it is true or false. My name is Farhan or my name is not Farhan. So it is true or false. Therefore, it's a statement. The earth is round. The answer is true. It's a statement. What a shot. You can't say it is true or false. What a shot. It's an exclamatory sentence. Therefore, it's not a statement. What is your name? The answer is name, not true or false. It's not a statement. Are you clear with this? Come here. Is it a statement? No, because its answer is not true or false. So a sentence whose answer is either true or false is called statement or proposition. Let me ask you, let's say 5 plus 3. Please tell me, equal to 8. Is it a statement? Yes, because its answer is true, because 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. What about this? It is still a statement. Its value is false because this is not a right statement. What about this? If I write 5 plus x equal to 9, please tell me whether it is a statement or not. Ask yourself, is the answer yes or true or false? No. Why? Because if I'll ask you whether this statement is true or false, you will ask me first, sir, please provide us the value of x. If x equal to 4, the statement is true. If x is not equal to 4, the statement is false. Or to be very specific, if x equal to 4, the sentence is true, and if x is not equal to 4, the sentence is false. That means this sentence is true or false, it depends upon the value of x. So therefore this kind of sentences are not a statement. Are you clear with the definition of a statement? A sentence whose values is either true or false is called statement or proposition. Now why we are discussing this? Because throughout the whole chapter of logic we will be talking about proposition or statement. We'll be considering those sentences which are statement or proposition, whose values are either true or false. Now let us talk about the types of statement. There are two types of statement. The first is simple statement and the next one is the compound statement. What is the simple statement? Simple statement means only one statement. You cannot further break down. Only one statement. And compound statement means combining two or more simple statements. Combining two or more statements will form a compound statement. So technical definition is a statement which does not contain any other statement. Or basically it's a plain statement. My name is Farhan. That's it. It's a simple statement. Compound statement means my name is Farhan. This is one statement. I am a teacher. That's the second statement. So if you combine these two statements, that will become compound statement. So these are the two types of statement. Now the question is how to combine these two statements. For example, if you are good in mathematics, you are good in science. Now what are the ways of combining these two statements? For that purpose, we need logical connectives. Let me give you few examples. How can you connect these two statements? I'm good in mathematics, I'm good in science. I'm good in mathematics and I'm good in science. These two statements are connected by and. I'm good in mathematics or I'm good in science. Or, so this is one more, you can say logical connective. If you are good in mathematics, then you're good in science. So there is one more connectivity, logical connectives. So there are different logical connectives which are used for joining the compound statement. Combining the simple statement, it will form a compound statement. So let us discuss about the logical connectives. The first logical connectives is negation. So what do you mean by negation? It will negate the statement. That's it. My name is Farhan, my name is not Farhan. So that is what negation is. Its truth table is If this statement value is true, it will make it false. If the statement value is false, it will make it true. So this is your negation statement. Conjunction means combining the two simple statement by and operation. You are good in mathematics and you are good in science, so and in between, so this is called your conjunction. Disjunction means or. You are good in mathematics or you are good in science. Next, implication, combining the two statement by using if else if then statement. If you are good in mathematics, then you are good in science. And finally, equivalence or biconditional. That means you are good in mathematics if and only if you are good in science. So these are the 5 types of connectives or logical connectives to combining the simple statement to form the compound statement. Now we'll discuss what are the different truth tables of these logical connectives. Negation we are already discussed. Now we'll talk about conjunction, disjunction, implication, and equivalence and biconditional. So these are the very important truth table. I hope you already know all these truth tables, but if you don't know, don't worry, I'll tell you, don't worry. So let's start. Let's see. First of all, we'll talk about and. This is your conjunction, or simply you can say and. This is conjunction, this is disjunction, this is your implication, and this is your double implication or biconditional. Now first of all, and. You need to remember the statement. I have written here how to remember this statement. True and true is always true. Remember, in this particular format, you will never forget in your life. True and true is always true. True and true is always true. That means both are true, the result is true. See here. True and true is always true. Rest everything is false. Story over. Is this clear? Is this way clear how to remember this? True and true is always true. Next. This is your or basically disjunction. False or false is always a false. False or false is always a false. See here. False or false is always a false. Rest everything is true. True and true is always a true. False or false is always a false. Next. This is your implication. In that, tough implies false. This is what implication. Tough implies false. See here. Tough implies false. That means T and F. So T and F means false, rest everything is true. So see here. Tough implies false, rest everything is true. So tough implies false, rest everything is true. And this is your biconditional. That means identicals are true. See here. Identicals are true. That means if both are same, then it is true. See here. True and true, true. Identicals. If they are same, then it is true. Rest everything is false. So these are your 5 logical connectives and these are the different truth tables. Obviously, this will be very helpful while solving the problem based on this. Thank you for watching this video. This is a very simple video. Hope you understood. Take care.